Okay, welcome back then to your next lesson. And this time we're gonna deal with application of percent. We are still dealing with percent, but this time we are going to apply it. Now, to discuss our lesson, we need to remember four things. Okay, discount, original price, discount rate, and sale price. Now, discount or D is the discount, while OP is the original price. DR is the discount rate, and SP is the sale price. Now, discount is a decrease in the price of an item. It refers to the amount to be deducted from the original price. OP or original price is the regular price charge of the item. DR or discount rate is the percent taken off from the original price, while SP or the sale price is also known as the net price or discounted price. It is the price of the item after the discount has been deducted. Okay? Now, we need to remember these four things because for our lesson for today, we're gonna use them. Now we have here formula. Okay? Now the formula to get the discount, D here is the discount, is OP or original price multiplied by the DR or the discount rate. Okay? And out from that, we can derive further formulas. Now, SP here, if you're looking for the sale price, okay, it is equal to, its formula is OP or the original price minus D or the discount. Okay? Now, to get the sale price again, if the given is the discount rate, is OP times quantity 100% minus the direct or the discount rate, close parenthesis. Okay, that's the formula. Now that we're gonna explain this using an example. Okay, Ben, we have here an example, and if we are going to read this, a tennis shoe is for sale for $500 with a 15% discount. What is the discount and the sale price? Okay. Now, there is a tennis shoe for sale. Okay. Which is how much? That is $500. Okay. Now, it is discounted by how many percent? That's 15%. And we are looking for the discount. How much is the discount and how much is the sale price? Okay, because 15% here is the discount rate. Okay, now if we are going to go back to our formula, how to get the discount, D here is equals to OP times DR. Okay, or discount is equals to OP or original price times the discount rate. Okay, that is our formula. Okay, so using the formula, let's substitute the given. So we are looking for the discount here. Now, what is the original price? That is $500 times what is our discount rate? That's 15%. So you need to multiply 500 by 15%. How? By changing 15% here into a decimal number. So we have 500 times, to change this, just drop the percent sign, 2 steps to the left, 1, 2, and our decimal point will be here. So we have 0.15 or 0.15. So let's multiply 500 times 0.15. Okay, so multiply 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 0, 0. 5 times 5 is 25. 5 and 2 here. Now let us just use 1. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 0, 0. 1 times 5 is 5. And let's add 0, 0, 5, and 7. So where do we put the decimal point? It depends on how many digits after the decimal points our factors have. So it's 2. So from here, let's move to the left. 1, 2. So we have 75. Okay? 75 for our discount. So what is the discount? That is 75. Now how about the sale price? Now sale price is SP is equals to original price OP minus D, or the discount. Okay, so again, sale price is equals to OP, or original price, minus D, or the discount. That is the formula on how to get the sale price. So let's substitute. SP is equals to, what's the original price? That's 500. Minus, what's the discount? That's 75. Okay, so let's subtract. 500 minus 75. 0 minus 5 cannot be, because 5 is greater than 0. So 0 must borrow 1 from the next digit, which is 0. And 0 has no value. So therefore, he needs to borrow 2 from the next digit, which is 5. So 5 will become 4. 0 will become 10. Now 10 here will become 9, because he will let it borrow 2. 0 will borrow 1 from it. So 0 will become 10. Now we can now subtract. 10 minus 5 is 5. 9 minus 7 is 2. And bring down 4. So we have 425. Okay. So therefore, to answer our question here, or our problem, what is the discount in the sale price? The discount of the tennis shoe is $75. Okay, that's the discount with the discount rate of 15%, and the sale price is $425, because we have deducted 75 from it. Okay, now 500 here is the original price, or OP. 15% is the discount rate, or DR. 75 here is the discount, and 425 is the sale price. Okay, that's how you apply percent. Okay, so let's have some more example. Okay, for our next example then, we have here, Laika waited until after summer to buy a dress. She found one amounting to 2,500. Now, PHP here is Philippine pesos and was selling at a discount of 40%. How much did she save by waiting? How much did she pay for the dress? Okay. Now, let's analyze the problem then. Let's get the event. Okay. Now, the character here is like that. Now, she wants to buy a dress, and she found one, but it sells at a high price. So she waited for it to have a discount so that she can buy the dress with a discounted price, which is lower to the original sale price or original price. Now, the dress is the price of the dress is 2,500. Okay, but it was discounted by 40%. Now, how much did she save by waiting? Now, the question here is the discount. What is the discount? And how much did she pay for the dress? Now, that's the sale price. Okay. Now, let's write first the event for us to answer the problem easily. Okay. So, how much is the dress? That's the original price. That is 2,500. Okay, Philippine pesos. Now, what is the discount rate or DR? That is 40%. So we are looking for the discount and the sale price. Okay. Now, to use the formula, discount here is equals to OP or original price times DR or the discount rate. Okay, that's how we get the discount or D. Let's just substitute the given based on the formula. So let's get the discount here. Now OP is 2,500. Okay, OP here, this is OP. This is equals to 2,500 pesos. 25 times DR. Now DR is here. DR is equals to 40%. So let's substitute here 40%. So we are now multiplying a whole number by a percent. And how do we do that? By changing the percent into a decimal number. So 25. Drop the percent. Move the percent 2 steps to the left and write the decimal point. So it becomes 0.40 or 0.4. Still the same. Okay. Now, let's multiply. 25 here times 0.40. Okay. Now, 0, 0, 0, 0 times 2, 0. 4, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 0, 0, 4 times 5, 20, 0, 32. 4 times 2 is 8, plus 2, that's 10. 0 and 1. So let's add a 0. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1. Okay? So where do we put the decimal point? It depends on how many digits after the decimal point our factors are. So from here, there's 2. So from here, we're gonna move the decimal point 2 steps to the left, 1, 2, and here is our decimal point. So for our whole number here, that's 1,000. Okay. So meaning to say that's our discount. The discount is 1,000 Philippine pesos. Now, how much is the sale price? So let's get the sale price. So for our formula, SP is equals to, that's original price minus the discount. Okay, that's the formula to get that sale price. Now, let's just substitute the given. What is our OP or original price? OP here, that's 25. So 25 here minus what is our discount? The D. So D here is equals to 1,000. So let's subtract 25 minus 1,000. That's 1,500. So therefore, for our sale price, that's 1,500. Now, to answer our question, how much did Laika save by waiting for the dress to have a 40% discount rate? Okay, so she saved 1,000 pesos or Philippine pesos, okay, for the discount. And how much did she pay for the dress? So that's 1,000. She paid 1,500 pesos instead of 2,500 because the dress was discounted by 40%. Okay, so that's how we apply percent. Let's solve some more example. Okay, for our next and last example, then let's read. A wristwatch was sold for $2,100 with a 16% discount. What was the original price of the wristwatch? Now this is a little bit tricky because the given here is the sale price and the discount rate. Okay, and we are looking for the original price. Okay, now for us to answer this, let's write first the given. Okay, now 2,100 here is the sale price. So SP here is equals to $2,100. Okay. While the discount rate or 16% here is the discount rate. And we are looking for the original price. Because the given is the sale price and the discount rate. So, and we are looking for the original price, which is OP. So we need to use the formula SP is equals to OP times 100% minus DR. Why we should use this formula? Because SP here and DR is given, and we are looking for the original price. That's why we need to use this formula, because from this formula you can use all the given. Okay. So all we need to do is just substitute the given based on the formula. So let's try. So SP here is 2,100. Oh, that's right. 2,100 is equals to OP. That's what we are looking, times parentheses 100% minus, what is our DR? DR here is 16%. Okay, let's simplify the formula. So copy first, 2,100 is equals to OP times, now let's subtract 100 minus 16%. Okay, so let's subtract here 100 minus 16. Now 0 minus 6 cannot be, because 6 is greater than 0. So 0 must borrow 1 from 0, but 0 has no value here, so 0 must borrow 1 from 1. 1 will become 0, 0 will become 10. Now 10 here will become 9, because 0 will borrow 1 from it, and 0 here will become 10. So we can now subtract. 10 minus 6 is 4, while 9 minus 1 is 8. So we have 84%. Okay? So we have simplified 100% minus 60%. It became 84%. Okay? So let's further simplify our solution. Copy. Now OP here times, let's remove now the parentheses, 84. Now, how do we multiply 84% by OP? By changing the percent into a decimal number. Drop the percent, remove, move it 2 steps to the left. So our decimal point will be here. Okay? So OP, or original price, times 0.84 or 0.84. Okay? So we need to transfer 84 here so that we can find the original price. So what we need to do is divide both sides by 0.84 or 0.84. Why? So that we can cancel 0.84 here, OP will be the remaining. Okay? So we can find the OP. Okay? So therefore we have 2,100 here divided by 0.84. So let's do that. Okay? Let's put here 1,000. 1,100 divided by 0.84. So we are dividing a whole number by a decimal number. And how to do that? We must change first the decimal number into a whole number. How? By moving the decimal point to the rightmost of the number. So we need to move it 2 steps to the right. So therefore, we need also to move this decimal point 2 steps to the right also. 1, 2. So we have two blank place value here. So all we need to do is add zeros to it. Okay. So it becomes 210,000 dollars. Okay. So we have now 210,000 minus 84. Okay, so we are now dividing two whole numbers. So let's divide 21 divided by 24 cannot be. So let's add another digit. So it becomes 210. Now 210 divided by 84. Let's try 2. Okay, 2 here. Now 2 times 4 is 8. 2 times 8 is 16. So we have 1 and 6. So let's subtract. Minus. So 0 minus 8 cannot be. So 0 must borrow 1 from 1. 1 will become 0 here. 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 8 is 2. Now 0 minus 6 cannot be. So 0 must borrow 1 from 2. 2 will become 1. And 0 will become 10. Now 10 minus 6 is 4. So we have 42. Bring down 0. Okay, so we have 420. Now 420 divided by 84, let's try 5. Okay, now 5 times 4, 20. 0, carry 2. Okay, now 5 times 8 is 40, plus 2, that's 42. So 420 minus 420, that's 0. Now bring down 0. Now 0 minus 0 divided by 24 is 0. And 0 to 24 is 0. So we have 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. Bring down 0 here. Now 0 divided by 24 is 0. And 0 to 24 is 0. So we have 0. So no more numbers to bring down. So we have 1,500. So this is the OP, or original price of the wristwatch. Okay. So let's read the problem. A wristwatch was sold for 2,100. That's the sale price, $2,100. With a 16% discount, that's the discount rate, 16%. What was the original price of the wristwatch? That's what we are looking for. So using the formula, we have come up with $2,500. Okay, so that is the original price of the wristwatch. Okay, so that's how we apply percent. Then on next meeting we're gonna take up about markup price. For now, that's it for now. Thank you for your time. See you next lesson.